Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and share with you my Ipsy bag that I got for the month of March. I received it a couple of weeks ago. I have been out of town, you know, with the holiday, with spring break and stuff, so I am gonna go ahead and share with you what I have in here. So the first thing that I see is this super cute, I should make sure nothing else is in the bag. Super cute bag. It's like a rose gold and it has a bright blue zipper with a cute little star. And it says, "And off she went to change the world." I love that. I'm gonna open it and here's the stuff that's inside. So let's get the paper out and see what it says. As it's National Women's History Month, to celebrate, we loaded up your March Glam Bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Need to know about your 5 #Ipsy Shiro products on Ipsy.com or the Ipsy app. This one's for all the women out there running the show, making her story, and helping us look damn good along the way. Start with this one first. The Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty Milkmaid. Not sure if you could see that. It says totally to die for, velveteen hand cream, candied oatmeal cream, dry skin soothing plus beautifying. I've heard of this brand before and I've never tried it, but I heard it smells delicious, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. I'm totally keeping this in my purse. Heard a couple of people talk about how good this smells, and I've always wanted to smell it, but I just, you know, haven't really purchased it or have came across it or whatnot. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. And it feels so soft too. And it's not like oily. It seems like it really absorbs into the skin. I like it. And it smells so good. Cake Milkmaid. This one, it says, this sweet smelling cream infused with oat milk, concentrated and marshmallow root extract is slowly whipped to give that lightweight, airy texture that absorbs quickly into your skin and leaves your hands so soft and smooth. Bonus, it smells like a jelly donut. It actually smells like cake or something to me. I don't know why. Okay. Thing that is on here is this Morph, a mini bronzer. It says Morph encourages everyone to express their creativity, which is what makeup is all about in your opinion. This velvety bronzer blends onto your skin seamlessly, so application is cinch. Plus it's matte, so there's no sparkle or shimmer. Just a totally natural looking sun-kissed glow. Use an angled fluff brush. Sweep along your cheekbones and the sides of your forehead. So I'm gonna try this. I don't have bronzer on right now. I'm kind of a little bit barefaced. I have concealer, but that's about it. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm gonna open it up and see what it is. It's so cute though. Your forehead. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit on here. So I'm gonna be using this, especially this summer. Okay. But the next thing that I got is the Seraphine Botanical Curl Imperial Mini Mascara. This, let me see. It says Curl Imperial High Definition Curling Mascara. Some from Seraphine Botanicals. It says Seraphine Botanicals is all about using nutrition, plant-based, fair trade ingredients in their products. This baby's made with popplers that wrap around each lash to curl and lock in color. Plus, Queen of the Meadow and Imperial Orchid extracts to condition lashes. Wiggle the mascara wand through your lashes in a zigzag motion from root to tip. Repeat 2 to 3 times for more dramatic effect. So I'm gonna do that because I don't have much mascara on. I've been letting my eyelashes breathe from my eyelash extensions and wearing so much mascara because I've been using a eyelash serum that I'm probably gonna upload a video about. But right now I'm gonna try this and see what it does for me. Okay. With just not even 1 coat of mascara. And it's so cute. It's travel size, so you can pop it in your, oh, you can see the little fibers. I'm not sure if you can see that. Can you? Probably can't. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I'm liking my Ipsy bag this month for sure. Let's see what's next. So the next thing in here is the Lord and Berry. It's a Lord and Berry eye pencil in Supreme Green. It says this Milan-based makeup brand is known for high quality, on-trend products like this blendable olive green eyeliner. It's so rich in pigment that lasts all day, saving you valuable time on touch-ups. Draw along your lash line and smudge with an angled eyeshadow brush for a soft wash of green. Draw some on your lids using the pencils and blend with the fluffy eyeshadow brush. So I thought it was black actually, but there's the bottom. You can see the green. So I'm gonna do a swatch really quick and show y'all. So it's pretty dark. Okay, it seems a little bit cakey when I do apply it, but I really like the color. When I apply it, it's real smooth, but when I try to blend it out, it like breaks apart. Like it starts like, it's like I'm gonna have to keep applying and applying just to get like a good layer on there. say no on this, honestly. But like I said, I'm not eyeliner person. Okay, so that was tested, and like I said, I'm not really an eyeliner person, but hey, that's my honest review. I'm probably will not be using that in the future. Okay, so the last thing that I do have is this, let's see, it's called the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This farm to face skin brand fuses natural and science to create products rich in all natural ingredients like turmeric, sunflower, and ginger root oils and papaya enzymes. This balm melts away all traces of makeup, even waterproof. I'm really gonna try this. Leaving your skin fresh and smooth. Distribute a pea-sized amount into your palm and use your fingertips to massage into the dry skin. Then splash with water or wipe off with a warm, damp washcloth. Okay, so yeah, for sure I'm going to be using it. It says Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Pharmacy, let's see. So it's green. And it's kind of like a lip balm. So it looks like it's melting as you're touching it. Try and remove this right here. Wow, okay. And that was without me having to wipe anything off. It just kind of melted away. Look at that. No trace of the green anywhere. Like I said, I just wanted to get on here and do a quick Ipsy, what I got in my bag this month. So yeah. So that's it, you guys. Like, I just wanted to get on here and share this Ipsy bag with you. And this was for the month of March. I'm not sure if there are other subscriptions, if y'all have ones that you really enjoy, because I know I've heard some bad things about Ipsy, that they don't get really good products or full-size products or whatever. But if you have any recommendations on any makeup bag subscriptions that are kind of like in the price range, because I don't want to spend a ton of money. If you enjoyed the video, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try and answer them as fast as I can. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and always, thanks for watching.